If you are planning to get married in Houston or anywhere in Harris County, you need to get your marriage license through the Harris County Clerk's office. But you do not need to pay full price, and you absolutely do not need to wait 72 hours to have your ceremony. Hi, I'm Kristen Franzen, Clinical Director at Cadenza Counseling and a licensed professional counselor in Texas. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how the Harris County process works, what documents you need, and a legal loophole to save $60 on your local filing fee. First, let's talk about the cost. If you are a Texas resident, the standard fee for a marriage license at the Harris County Clerk's office is exactly $81. However, if you complete an approved 8-hour premarital course, like the official Together in Texas program we offer at Cadenza Counseling, Harris County is legally required to reduce your fee by $60. That brings your total cost at the courthouse down to just $21. Beyond the financial savings, there is a major logistical benefit. Under Texas state law, once the Harris County Clerk hands you your license, you are forced to wait 72 hours before you can legally get married. But if you present our Together in Texas certificate when you apply, the clerk will instantly waive that 72-hour wait. You could legally get married the exact same day you walk out of the courthouse. To get this $60 discount and waive your waiting period, you just need to take our state-approved online course. At Cadenza Counseling, our official course is entirely self-paced and 100% online. You can access it from your phone or computer, pause whenever you need to, and pick it right back up. Best of all, our course is only $19.97. There are no hidden fees, no tests to pass, and your official certificate is generated instantly the moment you finish. When you are ready to apply, both you and your partner must appear together in person at any of the 11 Harris County Clerk locations. They have their main office downtown and several annexes across the Houston area. Simply hand the clerk your printed Cadenza Counseling certificate along with valid, government-issued photo IDs like a Texas driver's license or a passport. They will verify your certificate, drop your fee to $21, and issue your active license right then and there. To claim your $60 Harris County discount and skip the waiting period, click the link in the description below to register for our official Together in Texas course. You can finish it at your own pace and print your certificate today. If you have any questions about the Houston marriage license process, let me know in the comments below. Congratulations on your wedding.